Hello and welcome to this first tutorial on VWBasic. VWBasic is a simple language that anyone can learn and start developing production grade, production quality apps all from just the browser. You don't need to install any software, you don't have to install any runtimes, you don't have to do anything complicated to distribute the apps. Everything happens from your web browser. Let's start with a simple application and then we'll see how we can code in VWBasic. To start coding, the first thing is you need to sign up with an account in VWBasic. For that, you can go to VWBasic.com. Once you are in VWBasic.com, you can click on login. If you already have an account, you can type the account over here and you can sign in. If you don't have an account, you can click on sign up. Here you can sign up. You can enter a preferred username. You have to enter your email ID and you can select a password. Once you click on sign up button, you will get an email with an activation link. Once you have activated your email ID, then you can just click on sign in. Once you sign in, this is the screen you will see. So this is where you can create your programs. So let's create a new program. So I'm going to click on new file. So I can give a new name. I can have a simple name like called as add test is the name of the application, and I'm going to select the type as a console. So initially it's going to be a console based applications. So VWBasic supports three types of applications. One is called as a console application, which typically is designed to teach people coding. It's basically a simple application where you can only interact with it as a console, where you enter some data and it will print the data out in a console. So it's a very simple type of application, like in the old MS-DOS or Linux types applications. So then you have games where you can do a lot of drawing. And then you have forms. Forms are the traditional web forms, web-based form-based applications, event-driven applications. So for the initial tutorial, you don't have to worry about all those things. We'll learn about all those things later. For the time being, let's stick to just console. Just select console over here and we'll click on OK. And a new application is created. The icon here shows which type of application it is. This icon shows that it's a console application. So we're going to click on this. And this is basically the GBasic code editor. So you can always click on the home button. You can go back to the list of programs. So then I can go in, I can click over here, and then I can type the code here. Let's type a simple program here where I'm going to just print some value, print 100. I'm going to print the value 100. When I say run, it's going to open up the console over here and it's going to print the value as 100. So I can also do something simple, like for example, I can say print 100 plus 100. So now when I run it, you can see the result. Result says 200. So this is basically how you start off with developing a code. You can write a lot more complicated code here. In the following tutorials, we will see how to write more complex codes. We'll walk through certain other things that we have. So welcome to the world of VWBasic coding.